Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Steam from opening automatically on startup on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the Windows Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up your main Windows menu where you can access various system functions and settings. From the Start menu, look for and click on Settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon and will take you to your Windows settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your operating system. The settings window gives you control over how Windows behaves, including which applications launch when your computer starts up. Once you're in the settings window, you'll see several categories displayed. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section manages all the applications installed on your computer and controls their behavior, permissions, and startup settings. It's where you can view everything from installed programs to their background activity. Now, in the left panel of the Apps section, you'll notice several options listed vertically. Click on Startup. This specific menu shows you all the applications that are configured to launch automatically when you boot up your computer. It's incredibly useful for managing which programs should start with Windows and which ones shouldn't, helping you improve your startup time and overall system performance. After clicking on Startup, you'll see a list of all your startup applications. Scroll down through this list until you find Steam. Right beside Steam, you'll notice a toggle switch. This switch controls whether Steam launches automatically when Windows starts. Go ahead and click on this toggle to switch it off. Once you toggle it off, the switch will move to the disabled position and Steam will no longer open automatically every time you start your computer. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Steam from launching automatically on startup, giving you more control over when the application runs and potentially speeding up your boot time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.